What's up guys, it's Flash with tradingwithflash.com. In this video, I'm going to go over should you buy and sell your whole position at once, so stay tuned. Making $100,000. Characters I met along the way that stepped in and are a big part of my story. There, so stay tuned. So guys, this video is kind of to go over questions on buying and selling a whole position at once. When I did start trading originally, I would buy and sell a whole position at once. It did take me quite a while to get used to averaging up and then offloading shares on the way up as well. But I'm kind of just want to make pros and cons to doing so in this video, and that I hope you'll all find value in. So let's just say it's a break of a flag pattern. What I would do is I would buy probably half a position size there at the break of the flag pattern. I would either then buy again on the push up, and then I would wait for another flag to form. After the second flag forms, I would either buy on a support again, and then what I would do on the break of the second flag, normally I would start offloading my shares. So I'd probably release a quarter or half, and then a quarter or a half again at the top. Now again, this doesn't always work, and the damage that you can do and sometimes with this is that if you do average up and the stock can collapse, or you do offload half your shares and the stock can collapse. But there's pros and cons in everything in trading. But what the benefits are to this is that you're kind of giving yourself a comfort cushion that if it does go wrong, you're only half size in, and if it does go wrong on your sell on the way up and you're still holding half your shares, you do have a comfort cushion that you would set to break even. So that's one of the advantages of it as well. The reason why I don't like selling my whole position at once is solely because that if the stock has potential to move, you're kind of missing out on that move. And by doing this, to kind of switching my style a little bit in it, the gains have been that bit better in terms of I'm holding the stock a little bit longer, and because I'm comfortable, I've already banked a certain amount of cash. So guys, this was just a quick video of the kind of pros and cons to selling or buying a whole position at once. Once again, I hope you did enjoy the video, and if you do have any questions or you want me to answer any stock trading questions, please put it in the comments below. Once again guys, don't forget to click like and subscribe, and God bless. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. There is a link in the description below. I've prepared a full module of everything you need to know how to get started in the stock world from A to Z, all the way from what platforms to use to affordable education, and I go into huge detail about candles. Check that link guys, I hope you all enjoy.